Welcome to another session of Wireless Communications and Networks, Unit 5, Wireless Networking. Today's topic is Integrated Service Digital Network. Integrated Service Digital Network, that is ISDN. Here, what is the use of this ISDN? Here, the ISDN is a network which is used to transmit data and signaling to the end users, which is used to transmit data and signaling to the end users with the existing PSTN network by using common channel signaling. Here nothing but what is the use? What is the basic service of PSTN? Here the basic service of this PSTN is to transmit voice through twisted pair cable. Transmit voice through twisted pair cable to the end users. Now we are using the same network to transmit data and signaling. That is, we have to add another network to the existing PST network. It's called as the ISDN, Integrated Service Digital Network. Here, this ISDN provides two types of signaling components to the end users. Two types of signaling components to the end users. That is, first one is access signaling. The second one is network signaling. Here, what is meant access signaling? Nothing but the access signaling which defines how end users to obtain to access PSTN network, access the existing PST network to provide new services, that is to transmit data by using the protocol name is Digital Subscriber Signaling System number 1. Digital Subscriber Signaling System number 1, DSS1. Similarly, the second signaling component is network signaling. Here the network signaling is used, the type of protocol is SS7. What is meaning SS7? Signaling system 7 protocols. That is, the ISDN provides two types of signaling components. The first one is access signaling. The second one is network signaling. Here, for this access the PST network to service provider, we are going for, there are three types of channels are available in ISDN for interfacing. Nothing but first we are open your Google, type your query in Google. The signal first send, request signal send to Google server. Then again we have to reply the acknowledgement. Similarly, for connecting purpose, first we have to make a connection. Here the connection can be done by either circuit switched or packet switched. For this connection purpose, after connection takes place, how to transmit data? There are three types of channels are available. That is B channels, and here bearer channels. Next D channels, that is data channels. Next one is H channels, that is hybrid channels. Here what is meant by B channel? That is bearer channel, which is used to transmit voice, data or video. What is use of D channel? The D channel is used for signaling purpose. Here what is meant signaling? That is connection purpose between end users. First connection takes place by D channels. After connection takes place by using B channels, we have to transmit data. Here at the time of using B channels and D channels, there are two types of interfaces. That is basic rate interface. The second one is primary rate interface. Right. Here the D channel supports 16 kbps speed. For B channel supports either 16 or 64 kbps speed. Here the basic rate interface BRI, which is equal to 2B plus D. 2B plus D. Here what I mean 2B plus D? 2 B channels plus 1 D channel. 1 D channel is enough. That is only for connection purpose. After connection takes place, we have to transmit data, that is data like voice, video like that by using B channels. That is basic rate interface, which is equal to 2B plus D. That is 2 times of 64 kbps plus 116 kbps. Similarly, second one is PRI, primary rate interface. That is primary rate interface, which is equal to 23B plus D, which is used in North America and Japan, and 30B plus D, which is used for in Europe. That is 23 multiplied with 64 plus 16 kbps, 30 multiplied with 64 plus 16 kbps. This is our interfaces. Here, this is the block diagram shows exactly how ISDN works. Here, see this one, end-to-end ISDN subscribers. That is, in your home having PSTN network, we are using broadband connection through telephone network. Similarly, other user also having the similarly broadband connection. How connection takes place? That is, the ISDN subscriber to ISDN subscriber, it is having end-to-end signaling to connect network. ISDN subscriber by using ISDN interface. From ISDN interface to another ISDN interface by using, we have to transmit either packet switching or circuit switching, and connection takes place by using common channel signaling. That's why they are given 3: packet switching, circuit switching, and common channel signaling. The common channel signaling is used for connection purpose. After connection takes place, by either using packet switching or circuit switching, we have to transmit data. After this B channels and D channels, the next one is H channels. It's like a hybrid, like here the hybrid like H0, H11, H12, like channels. That is H0 is 384 kbps, H11 is 1536 kbps, H12 is 1920 kbps. Here this is exact table shows what are the types of bearer services in ISDN. First one is mode of service, that is circuit mode or packet radio mode. Here the type of service is unrestricted, speech unrestricted. That is circuit mode service, which is unrestricted type of service, which the speed is 64 kbps, 384 kbps, 1.5 kbps. Nothing but the type of channels is B channel, H0, H11. Similarly, the mode of service is circuit mode service, and the type of service is speech, and the speed of transmission is 64 kbps, and the type of channel is B. And packet data service is unrestricted. It depends upon the throughput, and type of channel is B, D, or C channels. This is the different types of bearer services supported by ISDN. This is about basics of integrated service digital network, ISDN. Do you have any query? Type your query in a chat box.